Let's make some Italian espresso at home. In the early 1930s, a guy named Alfonso Bialetti in Italy came up with the stovetop espresso or the Moka pot. And since then, it has become an integral part of the Italian culture and indeed the world. Now, even if you have the slightest interest in coffee, you're bound to have one of these in your household. In my last video, I was focusing more on the Moka pot than on the coffee. This time around, I thought I'd do a proper video to attain the best results from a traditional Moka pot. First thing we need to do is grind the right amount of coffee at the right settings. If we dial in too coarse, your coffee will be weak and not tasty at all. If we dial it in too fine, well, the coffee will taste really bitter. Preferably, the grind should be slightly coarser than caster sugar or rock salt. Put your coffee in the basket and settle it down with your finger. Tap it ever so slightly so that there are no empty spaces. But never tamp it down, as there's not enough pressure for the water to pass through the coffee. We are dealing with a small pressurized container producing about 2 bars of pressure, so don't push it or tamp it down. Fill the lower part with hot water off the boil right up to the escape valve. The downside of using cold water is that while you're heating your water, you end up heating your grinds as well. This means your coffee will simply taste bitter. Now you will need a cloth to screw the top tightly. Put it on medium heat and the coffee should start coming out in less than a minute. The coffee in the first few seconds is thick and full of oils, and the stream will be really slow. It starts to pick up speed very quickly, and as soon as you hear the first bubble, take the pot off the heat and use cold water to stop the brew. One thing you need to understand is that if you keep your Moka pot clean, super clean, and remove all the rancid coffee from the nooks and corners that gathers over time, your coffee will taste way better. For cleaning, I'll share my last video in the right corner. Enjoy this lovely little tool from Italy and let me know how it tastes. Did you notice any improvement in your brew after watching this video? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.